Hi, my name is Prashant Jawaji. I'm a project engineer, Area 2, Segment 1 and 2. Today we are building a Talbot Bridge. We started this bridge back in February, this February. We have, this bridge is designed to be poured in 5 different pours. Today we are doing pour number 3. Wednesday we did pour number 1, that's a span 2 positive moment region. And we have approach slabs, that's pour number 4 and pour number 5. It's a total of 400 cubic yards concrete roughly. Pour number 1 was 170 cubic yards. Continuity diaphragm 20. Today we are pouring 110 plus. And approach slabs, sidewalk and the parapet walls are another 100 cubic yards. So there's lots of challenges building this bridge, Talbot Avenue. There's setting up the grade. We have a cross slope on this sidewalk and ADA ramp. We have to make sure those are pretty accurate. We were working on this bridge for the last couple of months. We are proud to be part of this one and deliver it to Purple Line project.